Love is strange. Sometimes it arrives loudly, like fireworks in chaos, and sometimes it grows quietly, through late-night conversations, small worries, shared laughter, and someone simply staying. Love is not only passion, it is feeling safe enough to show your soft side, your fears, your dreams, and still being accepted. It is missing someone, even while smiling, thinking about them during ordinary moments, wanting to tell them everything first. Love is looking at one person and suddenly understanding why nobody else ever felt the same. It is wanting their touch, their voice, their warmth beside you at night. Not because you feel empty alone, but because they make life feel softer. And maybe real love is this: finding someone who feels like peace in a world that was always too loud, rather.